Hi mathematicians, in this video we're going to learn how to graph and solve systems of equations using the calculator. So first, a system of equations has more than one equation. So this is an example of a system of equations because we have one equation here and the second equation here. The solution to a system of equations is the point of intersection, where the two lines touch or connect. Let's do this example. Solve the following systems of equations graphically on the set of axes below. So we need to graph these two equations on one graph. To do that, we're going to press y equals and put in our first function, x plus 4. Remember, this button is the x. Do not use multiply. Then we press second graph. And we're going to use a few points. So I can put the point -2, 2. Here's -2 on my x. And my y, I'm going to go up 2. Then let's choose another point. I'm going to choose 0, 4. Here's my 0. I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to just check my work again by choosing one more point. How about 4, 8? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is another point on this line. Make sure our line goes all the way to the ends and we have arrows. And it's a good idea to label this graph. So you can't do it in Delta Math. However, you should write this equation next to the line. Now let's do the second graph. I'm going to go down and I'm going to put this in. Negative is this button here. When we have this sign in the beginning, it's negative, and negative is in the parentheses. Then to put in a fraction, you can press alpha y equals, enter. Again, that was alpha y equals, enter. Then we put in 1, go down, 2, go to the side. Now we can put in x minus, because we're in the middle, we're going to use minus here, 8. Now I press second graph again. We put this in y2, right? y2 is our red one here. So that means our y values are going to show up in y2, but we're still going to use these x values. Let's start graphing. I'm going to start by graphing the point 0, 8. So here is my 0 on my x-axis, and I'm going to go down 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the next number here is a fraction. It's not so nice. So I'm going to choose a different one. Let's choose 2, -9. So again, I'm looking at my x column, the first column to get the x, and the last column to get the y. So 2 is over here, and I'm going to go down 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it's really important that we make sure our lines go all the way to the ends of the graph, because our goal is to find the solution by finding the point of intersection. So if we don't draw our lines all the way to the end, we won't see that point of intersection. To find our solution, we see, where do these two lines touch? Here. What point is this? The x value here is -8, and my y value is -4. We always write the solution as a point in parentheses. So we're going to put parentheses, our x value, which is -8, comma, our y value, which is -4. And we close the parentheses. So this point here, -8, -4, is the solution to this system of equations. Good luck on the next question.